Hey guys, it's Perry here and I'm back with another unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Luxby laptop stand, and this is brought to you by Run Deals. And if you didn't already know this, Run Deals has a really amazing app, and if you download it you can get access to exclusive offers on products very similar to the one that we're going to be opening up right now. So let's check it out. It says adjustable angle, thermal solution, and anti-slip rubber protector. Okay, you guys, super sturdy, feels like really amazing quality. And let's see how it's open if you do it from this side. Okay, so it looks like you just set it down and then the laptop goes right here. So you would just put your laptop right on this and then you can set it anywhere and be able to use it. So let me go get my laptop to demonstrate. Okay, so I'm just gonna set it back here for you guys. And then laptop just goes there like that. So as you can see, stays in place, easy for you to put your hands on, and this will definitely help me keep my back straight and not be, hunched over while I'm on my computer. So guys, this is amazing. You can put it anywhere. Really awesome quality, and I mean, it just feels super sturdy. So love it. We'll definitely be using it. Make sure and get yours from Run Deals.